My name is Mukund. If you are new to my channel, then first thing please subscribe my channel and also explore the different videos that I have created on big data or cloud. I'm starting this series on Scala. So this is the first video on Scala and we are going to learn step by step what is Scala, why Scala, and how to start working on Scala. So let us start by the first video, which is introducing Scala. So what is Scala? The first thing that comes into my mind that if I am going to learn this Scala, so why? And what is the reason? What are the benefits that I am going to get if I am going to learn Scala? So Scala is again another language that you are going to learn. But if you are new to Spark, I suggest you should learn Spark first. Understand what is Spark, how it works, and different features of Spark. I've already created videos on Spark, so you can refer those videos and understand how to start this journey of Spark. The first thing that you need to know that if you are learning Spark or Scala, so how does it get executed? So understand this first thing, that Scala has the same compiling model as that is of Java and C#. It is more near to Java because once you compile, so the compiler generates bytecode that is nearly identical to that generated by the Java compiler. And you can include all the libraries of Java in your Scala application, Scala code that you are writing. The important aspect of Scala is it's a pure object-oriented language. Pure in the sense that every value is an object, and that is very interesting. And it is also being said that Scala is also a functional language. So you can include both these things, and pure object oriented and functional language. That makes Scala a very good language. But remember one thing, that every function that you create is ultimately a value, and value are again objects. So every function is an object. That is very interesting. As we have already discussed, that Scala is a compiled language and it compiles into Java bytecode, which is executed by the Java virtual machine only. So you have the common runtime that is being shared with Java. Scala is case sensitive, that we need to remember. And whenever you are creating or writing a Scala code, so you have to save it with .scala extension. And other naming conventions and keywords, related things you need to take care of. And those things need not to be discussed because if you are from any programming language background, so you know these things. The different languages which are basically rivals of Scala are like Python or R, Java. In fact, once you start learning Spark, so you know this thing, like you can have PySpark as well. So if you are from Python background, it is better to learn PySpark rather than Scala. But if you are from C++ or Java background, so it is the language that you can easily use because you understand most of the things. You can use any of these platforms to work on Scala. So whether it is Eclipse or IntelliJ and so on. You can install your Spark in Scala on Windows or your Linux machine. Or if you don't want to do that, then you can use the community edition of Databricks, which has the capability of working on both PySpark and Scala. So you can easily learn those things and you can easily code there. In the next video, I shall be discussing about how to start working on those, and you can use Databricks. I'll be sharing with you like how you can work on Databricks. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.